All right, another day, another just couple scalps. Decided to call it early. No need to push it. Plus, I have a pretty big workload on my plate and don't want my trading being affected from dealing with work and don't want my work being affected from my trading. So we'll just go over a couple trades that we took this morning. We're looking at the 5 minutes. So to the right of this line is market open. So this candle right here, we started stabbing up into some bearish fair value gaps over here. And what I was looking at was from these highs down to this swing low, we were right up into a discount, so above the 50% level, plus having fair value gaps. So I did take a short up here, somewhere in here. I only got into like 12 points of profit. I kept holding, and then we started digging further in and recognized that we could potentially go like 20-30 more points up here, and I didn't really want to hold on to that, so I just killed it for like a 4 or 5 point loss. Not a big deal. Obviously, that was the move. We did end up just digging into this fair value gap, and then we did have a sell-off. So I didn't let it affect me. I was kind of excited that I did kind of call that because that's the move I was anticipating. However, we didn't catch it, so I looked for something else. We have a bullish fair value gap here on after this move right here. So we have like the swing low, which kind of took out liquidity, and then a fair value gap. And this did not play out as expected. I would have wanted the market to come down into this, maybe dig into this order block a little bit, and then get a reaction out of it, targeting these highs. We did get some type of reaction. So if we jump down on the 1 minute, or let's mark that out. So this fair value gap here, and you see on the 1 minute we came down and did start climbing back up. I got into 2 contracts here and then sold them as we were getting a rejection off of this fair value gap. And then again, I recognize that we were right at the 50% level of this move after taking out this swing, and that's exactly where we came up to. So I longed down here, covered right there. I could have just reversed my position because that was a beautiful play and at least targeting the lows, and obviously we went further, but I just called it there and took what the market was willing to give me this morning. So we ended pretty decent for a short, quick day. Here are my executions on Tradervue. So this is that first one, minus $70. So 4.5 points. Not a big deal. And here's those 2 contracts that I bought, 500 and a 300. Not like the best move that I would have hoped for. Like, I'm looking for larger moves, but again, this is like day 3 after a 2-week break. So just taking it nice and easy. We don't need to rush. And then here's our performance for the day. 721 after commissions with the 1 losing trade. And all the details. I'm sure there's more nice setups in here, but again, $700 a day, I'm okay with that. We just have to average like $400 or $500 a day to pass this within a month. That's kind of like my main goal. If we go a little over a month, it's not a big deal. It's a pretty cheap account. I was able to snag a 150K evaluation account from Apex with that 90% off, which they don't have anymore, but stick around, and they usually do like 80% off pretty often. If you don't want to wait, I have a 50% off coupon in the description. And if you're interested in a prop firm, but yeah, let me know how you guys did, and talk to you all in the comments.